Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing KYLO REN, one of my absolute favorite characters of all time, and I can't wait to get into this. Before we go ahead and get to the tutorial, I want to remind you guys to go check out all my socials and my links on other platforms. There's a link in the description to my Patreon, my TikTok, and a bunch of other cool things that you guys should totally go follow me on. Thanks so much for watching this video, and enjoy. Alright, starting on our KYLO REN sketch, we're going to go ahead and start with the dome of the helmet. And go ahead and add in the mouthpiece, the little earpieces, as well as the eye holes for him to see out of.
I'll show you the dark side.
Now that we've cleaned that up, we're going to go ahead and start adding the silver linings that go around the eye holes. And this is going to be probably my favorite part of the whole KYLO REN sketch. I love the asymmetricalness of the whole helmet, and I think it's just a great design.
I'll show you the dark side.
KYLO's helmet also has some little lines that go from kind of the front of the forehead to the top, and then a bunch of other small little details like some scuffs and dents and little markings, so we're going to add those.
I'll show you the dark side.
And now that we have finished the helmet, we're going to go ahead and add Kylo's scarf that goes around his neck. Lots of layering, lots of folds, so we're going to try our best to make it look natural. From there, we're going to go ahead and add the torso. I messed up a ton, as you can see all my eraser marks, so I cut all that out of the video just to get you guys straight to the point. We're going to make Kylo's chest kind of crouching forward like he normally does when he's igniting his lightsaber or yelling or something, you know, normal Kylo things. We're going to go ahead and add the arms in as well.
I'll show you the dark side.
Now that we've finished the arms and the torso, we're going to add some wrinkles in the clothing and try to make it look like that thick, heavy material that he wears in The Force Awakens. Our boy Kylo also has these little wraps that go all the way down his arms, and how I like to draw those is do a bunch of lines that go down, kind of make them uneven and diagonal. And then we'll go ahead and erase the outer part of the arm and go ahead and add little notches to make it look like layered pieces of fabric. After the arms are finished, we're going to add some lines that kind of make it look like that medieval style thick fabric that he wears over his torso. And we're just going to add some horizontal lines and some vertical lines to crosshatch over them. And for some finishing touches, we'll go ahead and add some dirt and some grime and some tears to the fabric just to make it look a little bit more dark side and worn like Star Wars usually is. Our Force Awakens Kylo Ren is now complete.